Tetero median, thank you.
야, 곧 온다.
Wave your hands right, turn around once, and clap your students are once again here to present a story about Tibet. This story is the follow-up story of our last year's story. Last year's story is a brief story of Tibet. Now this time, we focus the story on one particular family. Thank you. This is not just the story of one family, but it's the story of everybody in Tibet. Hamu and Pema live in front of the capital city of Tibet. With their three children, Pasam, Champa, and Tenzin. Tenzin is the eldest and most of his time he spent with his friends. Pasam and Champa go to school. Hamu, their mother, is a housewife, and Pema, their father, owns a small shop near Pavo, the city market.
Champa, Lam, get ready to eat the dinner. Go and call your brother.
Is Phala home?
Yes, he is free. He will come as soon as his girl is over.
Come, brother. Dinner is ready. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where is Tenzin? He says, leave with his friends. I heard. He has no prepared the bad habits. He says, you never know, young boys easily get attracted to the substances.
I'm also very worried about him. These days he acts differently. He has become quiet and always seems to listen.
Amanda, brother came just few hours ago and told me not to wait for him for the dinner. Hey, never does like this before. I have to talk to him when he gets back. They all have dinner together silently, and after the dinner, everyone goes to bed except father. He waits for Tenzin to come home. After an hour, Tenzin comes home looking very worried and tired.
Oh, Paula, you are awake. Did you go to bed? Is you okay?
Tenzin, I have to talk to you if you not get tired.
Sure, Paula. What is it?
They have a long conversation. After the conversation, both look worried. Father puts his hand on Tenzin's shoulder and pats him. They both go silently to bed. The next morning, Tenzin and his father speak for a while, and then Tenzin goes out. Amala! Please, dear. Last night I spoke with Tenzin.
Don't frighten me. Tell me, is Tenzin doing something bad?
No, we don't have to worry about him. We should feel proud of him. Last night I told so much about my children.
Why?
We had to send Chamba and pass on to India. Tennis will soon come to our house, and I don't know what will happen to us. Our son, Jason and his friends are preparing to protest against the Chinese.
What?
So, before the protest, we will send Chamba and pass on to India. Mother cries and father promises her that he will arrange everything for their children. He also tells her that he knows a man who takes to people, and right now he is going to meet that man. I will be back soon and let you know everything.
Please, make sure that you meet the right person.
Father nods his head and leaves. He reaches the tea shop. People are having tea and are gossiping. Pema enters the tea shop and orders a cup of tea. A cup of butter tea, please.
Look, but they're good. See the beautiful and sweet 1,500 yen. Yes, it is. My sister has one like this. But yours is sweet. I already have green, so I bought this. Our neighbor someone wears a beautiful peach color
ridiculous. How could they do this to us? We are helpless. What could we do?
There must be some way. I know what I have to do. I'm going to join underground group. I'm not afraid. Better to die from a country than doing nothing here.
Come on. I'm sorry for being late.
Is that it?
Just go to my place to talk.
I gave the money on the table.
Here are the tea and cocktails.
Thank you.
I'm going to class. So, both of you can continue your conversation freely. See you.
Tema tells everything to Karma.
I understand. It seems that you have allowed. I'm leaving in 3 days. We will back after 2 months. Since you are my friend, I will take much money from you. For other I take 3,000 yuan, but from you, my friend, I will take 4,000 for 2 people.
Thank you so much.
Karma tells Tema that he has to arrange the money within 3 days and is allowed to bring a small bag and in it a kilo of samba, torch and sunglasses because it's very difficult to carry so many things on the way. And he also advises him to arrange a good footwear on children's feet. After hearing and understanding, he goes home with heavy heart.
Simala. Everything go well. Tell me, what have you decided? And when are we going to send our children? Do we have time?
Yes, 3 days.
3 days, but we need more time.
We don't have time. I don't know when the parents will come for us.
They call the children and explain everything to them.
You, when will come? I'm going to go without you. Who will look after us? Both of you are very lucky. You will meet His Holiness Dalai Lama and get us to study in school. We will come after you. Right now, we are only 6. Please don't say no. If you love your mother and father, just do as we say.
The day has to come to send the children to India. Early that the morning, children go with some other children to a place from which it is safe to start the journey to India.
My child is ready, and still there is no one. Oh, come back, get in the truck. Amba, my dear little one, now it's time for you to get in the truck. Quickly, you must get it. Hurry before the dinosaurs come.
Do you know what a dinosaur
It's like,
quickly now? The children are crying.
oh, Amala, please, let us be with you. We will be good children, and we will never ask anything from you, please. My dear, please do not cry, or my heart will break. We are doing what is best for you. Please go. Come, give me a hand. I will stay with you and help you. Come, stay there for the Lord. Amala, please don't forget us.
Father, take care of Amala and brother.
Please, come and meet us.
Remember,
We love you.
we will never forget you, my children, but you must go now.
Yeah, take my hand.
They get into the truck with 6 other children, 2 nuns and a man, and all the time looking back. Their journey to India begins with care and uncertainty, and they continue to face so much hardship on the way. Not a single day passes without missing their parents. It takes almost a month to reach India. Once they reach India, they feel very lucky to get the audience with the Dalai Lama and get chance to study in his school. Learning is important, and so is today's modern education along with the good moral conduct and ideology we inherited from our ancestors, and in order to restore and develop the religious and cultural heritage of Tibet. While practicing them, we must think of the three doors of virtue: manner of speaking, body language, and way of thinking, along with polite and noble habits of Tibetan, and thus we must set an example to others and leave lasting impressions of noble habits on others.